Welcome. If you're looking to use your camera on Discord but aren't sure how to enable access, you've come to the right place. In this updated guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps needed to allow Discord to access your camera on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the settings on your Android device. This is where you'll manage all your app permissions. Step 2. Next, navigate to Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. Step 3. Once you're in the Apps menu, tap on the Discord icon. Find it in the list and select it. Step 4. Now, go to Permissions. Here, you can adjust what information and features Discord can access on your device. Step 5. Tap on Camera. This is where you'll manage camera access specifically for Discord. Step 6. Finally, select Allow Only while using the app. This option gives Discord permission to use your camera when the app is open, ensuring you can join video chats without issues. And that's it. You've successfully allowed Discord to access your camera. Enjoy connecting with friends and communities through video.